quiz, constant equations graphing. Number 1, a student bought bags of chips to give out for an end-of-year celebration. In the graph, it has ounces, O, and cost, C. Ounces 4 cost $1.68. Ounces 8 cost $3.36. Ounces 13 cost $5.46. Which equation correctly shows the relationship between ounces of chips, O, and cost, C? A, O equals 1.28 C. B, C equals 0.420. C equals 0.460. D, O equals 0.42 C. Number 2, Mark is walking to meet his friend at the field for football practice. The football field is 1,250 yards from his house. Mark is able to walk 250 yards in 10 minutes. At that rate, how many minutes will it take for Mark to get to the field? A, 50 minutes, B, 40 minutes, C, 20 minutes, D, 120 minutes. Number 3, which of the following equations shows a constant relationship? A, y equals 2x plus 6, B, y equals x to the third, C, y equals x squared minus 3, D, y equals 1.5x. Number 4, which of the following correctly shows the constant of proportionality from the table below? The table is listed with x and y. X 30, y 15, x 15, y 7.5, x 8, y 4. Which of the following correctly shows the constant of proportionality from that table? A 2, B 1/2, C 15, D 4. Number 5, the graph below shows 2 trucks. The x-axis is represented by time and the y-axis is represented by distance. The graph is below. Which of the statement regarding the 2 trucks is true? A, truck B is moving at a faster rate than truck A. B, both of the trucks are moving at the same rate. C, truck A is moving at a faster rate than truck B. D, it is impossible to tell which truck is moving at a faster rate. Number 6, the graph below shows the cost of electricity needed to run an office building, and on the graph you have business hours and cost. Which of the following correctly shows the constant of proportionality? A, $17 per hour, B, $20 per hour, C, $22 per hour, D, $10 per hour. Number 7, which of the following correctly solves for n in the table shown below? The table has numbers that say 12, 21, 18, 31.5, 30, n, 42, 73.5. Which of the following correctly solves for n? A, 21, B, 1.75, C, 45.25, D, 52.5. Number 8, Jeff is working an 8-hour shift at his job as a landscaper. Jeff is able to landscape 3/4 of an acre in 1 2/5 hours. How many acres will Jeff landscape after working his shift? No calculator for this question. A, 120 over 28, B, 24 over 4, C, 37 over 6, D, 120 over 7. Number 9, which of the following represents the k value from the table shown below? In the table, you have x and y. X, -8, y 2, x 16, y -4, x -64, y 16. A, -4, B, -0.25, C, 4, D, 0.25. Number 10, this is 3 separate problems. Answer each and then add them together to find the total. Sean is exercising to compete in the CrossFit Games. He is able to row 3/4 of a mile in 4/5 of an hour. He is able to run 2 1/4 miles in 3/4 of an hour. He is able to swim 1/4 of a mile in 1/3 of an hour. Sean does each activity for 1 hour. What is the total distance that Sean completed? A, 4.6875, B, 5.29, C, 8.43, D, 15.375. Number 11. Which of the equations below correctly represents the relationship between x and y from the graph shown? A, x equals 0.66y, B, x equals 1.5y, C, y equals 1.5x, D, y equals 0.66x. Number 12. The graph below shows the number of hours H Rebecca worked and how much she got paid D. Which equation correctly represents the relationship between the hours worked H and money earned D? And the graph is below with hours worked and money earned. A, D equals 8.00H. B, D equals 12.00H. C, D equals 20.00H. D equals 24.00H.